Parts of speech. Dear friends, let's get started. Noun, a word for a person, place, thing, or idea. Example, cat, London, love. Pronoun, a word used instead of a noun. Example, he, she, it, they. Verb, a word that shows an action, occurrence, or state of being. Example, run, think, is. Adjective, a word that describes or modifies a noun or pronoun. Example, beautiful, tall, and happy. Adverb, a word that describes or modifies a verb, adjective, or adverb. Example, quickly, very, well. Preposition, a word that shows a relationship between a noun or pronoun and another word. Example, in, on, at. Conjunction, a word that connects words, phrases, or clauses. Example, and, but, or. Interjection, a word or phrase that expresses a strong emotion or surprise. Example, wow, oh, hey. Dear friends, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. May God bless you. Amen.